Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karan back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox a Deep Blue Precision Diver watch. Deep Blue has been one of the longest standing micro brands, and they make amazingly solid watches. Their construction is good, and it's been some time, it's been many years since I owned a Deep Blue watch from the past. I used to own a Deep Blue Juggernaut 3, which was a quartz watch, as you can see in this picture. Right, so to the unboxing of this watch. It's a very nice standard dive waterproof box that Deep Blue goes with. Let's see what they have here. They have a instruction manual. So in this manual, it's gives you details of all their watches, not just a few, but most of their current lineup, including operating instructions for chronographs as well as dive watches. They have you got a glimpse there. So included is a nice cleaning cloth with the Deep Blue logo and details mentioned on there. So yeah, this is the cutout. This is the 10th anniversary chronograph by Deep Blue. This is the Smurf version. This has ceramic blue lumed bezel. It has a light blue lumed dial, and the sub dials are white, which are not lumed. The hands, of course, are lumed as well. So yeah, it's a nice big chunky watch, as you can see. Really solid construction. That's what Deep Blue is known for. Let me put that box away. Right, so as you can see, let me walk you through the specifications. Right. Let me walk you through the specifications. This is 45 millimeters across without the crown, 54 millimeters lug to lug, 22 millimeters lug width, and 17 millimeters thick. That is a huge chunky watch. And the powering it is the ETA Valljoux 7750 automatic chronograph movement. It has the running seconds at 60 at the 9 o'clock subdial. The minutes are at the 12 o'clock subdial, and the hours is at the 6 o'clock subdial. The central seconds is a running chronograph seconds hand. The automatic movement also features a day and date feature. 120 click unidirectional bezel, which is very solid. My god, it's taking some effort to rotate, and that's a good thing. The markers on the dial, on the bezel, as well as the dial, they are loomed. So I'm going to get you a loom shot in a bit. Screw down crown, screw down pushers for the chronograph. Look at that. So if I press it, it's not bound yet. I have already sized the bracelet because that's the first thing I do. So let me put it on and show you how it sits on my wrist. Yeah, don't make fun of me. I haven't taken the plastic off the clasp yet. Look at that. Solid. I have a 7.5 inch wrist for reference, and as you can see, this watch just about fits the end-to-end dimensions of my wrist. This is the biggest I think I can take in terms of lug to lug, 54 millimeters. So it sits very well. It's a little top heavy, of course, because of that thickness, but I think it wears really nicely. 3 micro adjustments on the clasp, and there were a half link here and a half link here for easy adjustment. Screws in the bracelet links for adjustment, and it makes for easy sizing. Look at that. That is a beautiful watch. I'm gonna have so much fun wearing this for the next couple of days. Just for comparison, as I always do, I have a couple more very nice and solid build micro brands alongside. Here is the H2O Orca with the dress case, and then one of the rarest micro brand watches in the market. Well, they're not in the market anymore. The brand shut down, unfortunately. And this is the Zixon Nitrox 2 Vintage with the ghost gray bezel. Right, so as you can see, let me pick up one of the two of the three, in fact, and look at that. That's the size comparison. This is 44 millimeters with a similar lug to lug, and very nice and solid watches these. I love the Zixon. It's been one of my favorites for the longest time. Let's take a look at the H2O as well. Again, 44 millimeters across. This is 45. Somehow the lug to lug on this is 52 millimeters. So yeah, comparable sizes. They're not too shabby watches, very nice watches in fact. I love these three hefty chunky microbrand watches. These are the last few remaining microbrand watches in my collection anymore. So thank you for watching guys. Tune in to my Instagram for more videos linked below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.